Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. A very nice song from Jessie J. She sings and performs Comes in Waves, okay? So this is basically one thing going on here, and main action, like you're gonna play it from the beginning till the very end. We have some bridge that breaks in a little later, but yeah, mainly one thing going on here, one chord progression. We have melody, we have strumming. We're gonna go into that. First, the setup. Capo on second, absolute best scenario in my opinion. So use a capo if you have one, place it on the second one to match up with the sound. Otherwise, skip it and play the same as I do. It will sound a bit darker, but still nice and easy. So let's do it together. Let's go through the chords. We need five chords. So we're gonna start with the C at 9. So that goes third A, second D, open G, third B, and third E. G next, very simple. You keep the bottom down there, but you go up with this bass. So you're gonna place fingers on third E, second A, then open D, open G, third B, and third E still. That's the G. Next, D, open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have this beautiful E minor version. It's the E minor add 9. So it goes open E, second A, fourth D, open G, open B, open E. And later on, to handle the bridge, we need to also throw in a bar chord. That's the F, okay? So place any finger on the first fret as a bar, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And there we have it. Now, let's start with this melody you're gonna play, and that's belongs to the main part, C, G, D, and E minor based. So you're gonna go into this first chord C and look into the notes. You're gonna play like this. So third fret A, then third fret high E, then open G, and third B. That's the C part. Now into G. So you're going to play third fret E string in the bass, then third B, open G, and open D. Then you go to D. You play open D, third B, second G, and open D. And then you go to E minor, you hold the chord as it is and play. You basically run down and back up again as a pyramid. So you're gonna play open E string in the bass, second A, fourth D, open G, open B, and then you go back to open G, fourth D, and second A. And that's it. So slowly, like this. Tempo. And that is a melody. Now let's go into the strumming. And now, of course, you need to hold full chords as they are. And we're gonna go very easy with the strumming. You're gonna play down, down, clap, down. One of these per chord. So C, so there you have the main part, like 95% of the song. But then at 2 minutes and 16 seconds in comes the bridge part. And here you're gonna play a different chord progression, but it's very, very easy, guys. Just one down per chord with pauses in between. So imagine you would play the strumming pattern, but you don't. You just play the first down of it, and then you skip the rest. It's a pause, and then the next chord, and so on. So F, and then C, and then E minor, and then G. Okay? You do that for 2 rounds, so then you go back to the main part, play melody or strumming, up to you, but that is how you handle Jessie J's Comes in Waves. Nice song, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Next time, play tuned.